Hey guys, this is cool. This is really funny. Right when the northbound train came, the signal changed to green red, and now there's a southbound train coming. There's also an eastbound up there, so we missed it though. So I tried to zoom in on it, but here comes the CN southbound train. There's also a CN M385 southbound train, so coming. Yes, and there's also green red. See, look. Green, red. Okay. Sorry about that. That was just a car. Train's coming. Here, there's an eastbound up there. See it? Yeah, he might go straight to Canada. I don't know. He may stop, hopefully he does, so we can catch him, but we'll see. Here comes the southbound train, on the Mount Clemens stuff. Yeah, there it is. Let me back up. Coming. Here it comes. I'm gonna wave in a minute. Goes. Port Huron, Michigan. Cool, right after L533 northbound train. Cool. It goes. We're on Michigan. Alright.